one CEO and chairman of a company, very hardworking, very, very rich from India. So he decides to take a holiday. So he goes to Hawaii, relaxes in the beach there. He's lying down on the beach. So next to him, a fisherman. He is also relaxing. He looks at that fisherman and tells him, I'm staying in this 5-star resort. In this resort, there is no Wi-Fi, there is no internet, no TV, and they are giving me the most natural food. I am paying $1,000 a night to get this, enjoy this facility. To that the fisherman said, Sir, I am not spending a single paisa. I am enjoying the same. Why do you have to work hard for 30-40 years only to come and lie down next to me in the beach? Both of us are same. What's the point? As you get busy in life, you are going to lose sight of many things in life. But keep life simple.